Okay, well, Mr. and Mrs. have shown up right on time. Oh, wish I could have caught her dance. Oh, there she is. This is Wednesday, 22nd of January. We're in the low 50s, heavily overcast. Entertaining to watch. We head on.
Okay, we're over at Fluffy and Freddie's daytime hangout area, and Fluffy's here. Okay, we don't see Freddie. He does, from time to time, not show up initially, so it just means that Fluffy gets treats all to herself. Jay's going to put the food down. Even though Freddie's not here, he'll probably put enough so that if he does show up, he'll be able to have something to eat. Where's your brother, Fluffy? Okay, our late child coming down. Off defense. Hopping over bushes, making his way to breakfast. Good morning, Freddie. We got your food down. Okay, feel better seeing both of them now. We have a beautiful Cooper's hawk in the tree at Whispering Hills Ranch. We've seen one before in this tree. Usually, when the Cooper's hawk isn't around, this tree would be full of songbirds. Not this morning. They are not there. He's a predator. And he's showing up nicely because we're having sun. We haven't seen much of sun of late, thanks to the storms we've been having, but we've got some sun peeking through the clouds this morning. So he's showing up nicely. Is this back to us? He's kind of looking around the area. I don't know if he's looking for breakfast or just looking around because he can. Okay, we've moved further south. Even though he's obstructed by some branches, his color's coming through. Is he going to fly? I think he's going to try to fly. I'm ready. Oh, he flew a different direction. Oh, he went up to a different branch. Guy. Yeah. Here's looking at you this morning. Yeah,
You do have a nice steady there.
I know. Oh, I think he's gonna fly. Gonna pan out a little because his body behavior indicates he may be getting ready to fly. Or not. It sure seemed like he was. You know, once I get back in, he'll fly off. Okay, kitty cat is waiting for food to be put down. We did not see Holly at the Lutheran church today. Maybe on our way back, don't know. It's okay, kitty cat, just me. Just me.
Okay, just like yesterday, Iridius Ranch Court, up at the peak of a redwood tree. So far, this is the only red-tailed hawk we've spotted. We didn't see anybody over at Poppy Lane Townhomes. Doesn't mean they weren't there, just means we didn't see them. I've moved fairly close to the park bench that Kathy's put seat on, trying to get a best possible angle to pick up the birds and not have the camera go blurry. Had to stand here for quite a while before this first bird got enough trust to come down and investigate. We'll see if other folks come in. Yeah, that was a little oak titmouse briefly in, but wasn't comfortable with staying. Just gotta be patient.
Come on down, buddy. We're at Buddy's area. Waiting for him to come for a peanut. There he goes. There we go. Isn't he handsome? And off he goes. Excellent. Hey, Buddy is back. Just waiting for him to come down for another peanut. There he is. Handsome guy. What you gonna do with your peanut? Okay. Okay, Buddy's back again. Come on, Buddy, it's okay.
He went over to our left.
Okay. It's okay, Buddy. Come get your peanut. There he is. Handsome guy. We have more than one
Buddy's
blue.
back with nut in mouth.
Protect his territory. We have an interloper. Okay, Buddy came back with a peanut in his mouth to protect his territory. Now he's going to eat it up on the fence. Well, you know, you do what you have to do. Just make sure nobody gets your food. He dropped his peanut.
That's one of our hawks.
Okay. I think we have a hawk in flight. And I lost him because, hey, we have red-tailed hawk on one of the trees that's near their nesting tree, redwood tree that's west of Lutheran Church. It just flew in. I caught some of its flight, then I lost it, and Jay noticed it landed. And we got Blue Jay back again because Jay pulled out more peanuts out of my pocket. Bless his heart. Taking care of our little buddy. Yeah. Red-tailed hawk. Okay, we're gonna head along. Okay, our return trip, we have Fluffy. She's over in the bushes. They did not do a great job of eating their food, so Jay's going to have to put in the food container and take it home. They don't leave that much food. I mean, quite possibly their other benefactor had already fed them this morning, and it happens. Fluffy, Fluffy, it's okay. He's not going to shoo you away. Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yeah.
Okay, you do great.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. The ranch, Whispering Hills Ranch, has two beautiful black dogs that roam the hillside. Yes. They get out there, they run around, exercise. They chase each other. Not wasting any time. Just one of the pair is here. Oh, no, the other one's, there's Mrs. Hello, sweetie. Pick your peanut. Mister is still trying to figure out where he wants to bury his peanut. Yeah, he found it. Yeah. So cute. Oh, come back. There's more peanuts. Come on down. It's okay. This is back. She selected her peanut. And they'll keep doing that until all the peanuts are gone. We have what looks to be a turkey vulture that was flying just south of the elementary school and headed towards Cardoza Park. Landed on this pole. Yeah. And he is over there past the school. turkey vulture. Okay, folks, it looks like we have two, not one, two turkey vultures perched on a redwood tree across the street from the front part of the element. Oh, yeah, spread your wings, yeah. Go right ahead. Oh, they both flew, but not in the same, oh yeah, they're in the same direction.
Good morning. No, wait.
We put the food out on the curb today because park is being mowed and raked and whatnot. But we're on the east side of Cardozo Park. Okay, we're on the west side. Once again, we put the peanuts and honey nut Cheerios out in the curb area because of mowing, landscaping being done at the park today. The birds are fine. As long as the food's down, that's all they care about. Yeah. A decent showing. Come on, get a peanut, get a Cheerio, whatever.